Sydney, and today we are going to the Wax Museum. Let's go!
They scare me.
They actually scare me
aren't
too.
you? I can trust you guys.
Actually, you scare me too.
Because I am.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
Because they're
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे
It isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Shine bright like a diamond. Are we crazy? Living on a
Say something, I'll give you this.
You're giving me a million reasons to let you go. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. At the show,
I can see you hurting. I've been through the same thing. Baby, don't you worry. I got
Make you live a crazy life, but she'll take away your pain like a bullet to your brain. Upside, inside out, she's living la vida loca.
Hi, so we just finished the Wax Museum and it was so much fun. I was so happy to see Chris Hemsworth.